A logic is hidden behind those whom you consider superstition. Today, we will talk about such superstitions that are often said by the people. There are so many old ways which are considered today as superstition. Do not come out during eclipse. You must have heard the older people saying that you should not come out at the time of eclipse. But in today's era, many people consider it as superstitious. But on the contrary, many people say that at this time, the influence of the evil spirits increases on us. While the reality is that, at the time of eclipse, the sun's rays can cause skin diseases, and it will be very harmful to us. And seeing eclipse with the naked eyes, people can also be blind, because during eclipse, the sun is on highest temperature, and high UV rays can destroy our eye cells. Getting out of the house by eating curd. You have often thought of using curd before going to the examination, that you will be able to write well in the examination. It is considered superstition that it is auspicious to get it out of the house. But is this method really true, or is a superstition? Before doing anything, curd is considered auspicious, because after eating curd, the temperature of our stomach decreases, and the curd quickly digests in our stomach, and it provides glucose to our body. So after eating curd, our bodies become active immediately. Therefore, before doing any auspicious work, eating curd is considered proper. Do not cut nails at night. If you cut the nails in the night, then it is said that your bad fortune has started. But how much truth is there in this? Whereas, the fact is that, due to lack of electricity in the old time, nails were cut in the night. The use of tools to cut nails at that time was knife, and it used to be feared to cut the finger in the dark. Sit down and eat. It is believed that whenever food is eaten, then food should be eaten on the ground. And people say that your ancestors get annoyed by not doing this. Whereas, the fact is that after eating food on the ground, your digestion is very good and the food is easily digested. So whenever you want to eat next time, do not forget to sit down and eat. Lemon candy hanging on the door. People believe that hanging lemon pepper gets rid of bad evil eyesight and protects us from the evil forces. But in reality, it is absolutely superstition. Lemon pepper protects us from insects and not from evil forces, because citric acid is found in lemon pepper, and this citric acid protects us from the insects in our house. It was such a belief that it has been running for a long time, and all peoples have different ideas on these beliefs. But you should take these beliefs not as a superstition, but as a logic. We hope you enjoy this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will continue to send such information to you.